is a quick video on sub-accounts. To add a sub-account, scroll to the top right-hand side of the screen. Scroll down and choose Add Sub-Account from the drop-down menu. As you can see, my main account here has this main account and the following sub-accounts. So simply click Add Sub-Account, type the name of the sub-account you wish to add and click Add. You'll then be able to fill in the basic info, add the platforms, check account information, subscription information, and payment settings. To come out of that account, simply scroll to the top right hand side of the screen, choose another sub account, or go back to your main account.